Street.
Look, y'all. We got like a nature. We got like a nature park. A nature. What you call this, baby? A nature walking thing.
Yeah.
Look at that view. Sometimes when me and hubby can't get to the park, we'll come and walk in the back, and it feels amazing, y'all. Look at that. They finally turned that back on. Ugh. It looks so muddy and muggy. Hi, friends. We should have brought y'all some bread. Babe, we got bread. Yeah, that might be pollen. It looked greasy, though. Hi. But, yeah. Get outside, y'all. Take a little stroll with your boo. Take a little stroll by yourself if you got to. Babe, I'm going to be right here. You want me to go? Okay. Take a little stroll, y'all. Oh, it feels so good. I'm going to go in the house. I cook me some jasmine rice, some stir-fried mushrooms, with peppers and onions, and that's my meat. Ooh, no turtles today.
Yeah. Something down there moving. See them little.
Uh-huh. Them probably turtles, baby. Cause you know. Yeah. Oh, it look good out here. But yeah, it feels amazing outside, y'all.
We got canoes.
Canoes. Get outside. You ain't got to walk fast. Just take a little stroll. It takes your mind off of things. It gives you a peace. It's a cleansing, purification. All outside, right outside your front door. I love it. Except for the geese shit. I'm just saying. They be shitting piles, baby. Piles, like big dog dookie piles. But feel amazing out here, y'all. If you ever live near a beach and you feel the wind off of the water, that's how it feels tonight. Amazing. Blowing blessings, y'all. Now let me give my husband some kisses. Bye.